Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another insightful episode of Creotus Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving deep into a concept that's revolutionizing maintenance operations worldwide: lean maintenance. Joining me is Alex, our resident expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited to be here and talk about lean maintenance. It's a game changer for organizations aiming to maximize efficiency and minimize waste in their maintenance processes.
Let's start with the basics, Alex. For those listeners who may not be familiar, can you explain what lean maintenance is?
Of course. Lean maintenance is essentially the application of lean manufacturing principles to maintenance activities. It's all about eliminating waste, improving processes, and delivering value without unnecessary resources. In maintenance terms, this could mean reducing downtime, optimizing spare parts inventory, or streamlining work order management. It's about doing more with less while ensuring equipment reliability.
Sounds like a smart approach. You mentioned waste. What kinds of waste are we talking about in a maintenance context?
In lean maintenance, we identify 7 types of waste, often referred to as the 7 deadly wasters. These include things like overproduction, waiting time, excess inventory, and unnecessary movement of materials or people. For example, having too many spare parts that sit unused in your inventory ties up capital, which could be invested elsewhere.
That makes a lot of sense. So, Alex, what are the key benefits companies can expect when they adopt lean maintenance?
The benefits are significant. First, you'll see reduced maintenance costs because you're minimizing unnecessary repairs and spare parts. Second, equipment reliability improves, which means less unplanned downtime. Another big benefit is that it empowers maintenance teams to focus on preventive measures rather than reactive ones. Finally, it promotes continuous improvement. Teams are always looking for ways to streamline processes and remove inefficiencies.
Continuous improvement is definitely something every business should strive for. Can you give us an example of lean maintenance in action?
Absolutely. Take a manufacturing plant that was struggling with constant machine breakdowns and inefficient maintenance scheduling. By applying lean principles, they began tracking mean time between failures, MTBF, and mean time to repair, MTTR. With this data, they could predict when machines would fail and schedule preventive maintenance accordingly. This reduced unplanned downtime by 30% and led to a 20% decrease in maintenance costs over the course of a year.
That's impressive. But as with anything, there must be challenges when trying to implement lean maintenance. What are some common obstacles?
You're right, Bruce. One of the biggest challenges is resistance to change. Many organizations are used to a reactive maintenance culture, fixing things only when they break. Shifting to a more proactive, lean approach requires a change in mindset. Another challenge is the need for accurate data. Without reliable data on machine performance and maintenance history, it's hard to optimize processes.
And that's where IoT comes in, right?
Exactly. IoT, or the Internet of Things, plays a crucial role in lean maintenance. By using IoT sensors on equipment, you can gather real-time data on machine health, energy usage, and performance metrics. This data feeds into predictive analytics, allowing maintenance teams to anticipate failures and address them before they cause downtime. It's like moving from a reactive to a predictive model, which is at the core of lean maintenance.
Okay, Alex, let's say a company is convinced and ready to implement lean maintenance. What are the first steps they should take?
Great question. The first step is to conduct a thorough audit of your current maintenance processes. Identify where waste is occurring. This could be in inventory, manpower, or work order management. Next, set clear KPIs, like reducing MTTR or increasing uptime. Once you have a baseline, start with small, incremental changes. You don't need to overhaul everything at once. Introduce lean maintenance principles gradually, get buy-in from your maintenance team, and use data to track progress.
Sounds like a solid plan. Would you say training is also a critical part of this transition?
Definitely. Teams need to understand not just what lean maintenance is, but why it's important and how it benefits them. Regular training sessions, along with tools like computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, can help teams embrace lean principles and apply them effectively.
Looking ahead, Alex, how do you see lean maintenance evolving in the future, especially with advancements in technology?
The future is exciting. With technologies like AI, machine learning, and more advanced IoT, we're heading toward a fully predictive maintenance environment. We'll soon reach a point where machines can autonomously signal when they need maintenance, and AI will analyze data to optimize every aspect of the maintenance process. Lean maintenance will become even more precise, reducing downtime and costs even further.
Fascinating, Alex. It's clear that lean maintenance is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how companies can manage their assets more efficiently. Thanks so much for sharing your insights today.
My pleasure, Bruce. It's been great discussing this topic, and I hope our listeners feel inspired to start their own lean maintenance journey.
Absolutely. Thanks again, Alex, and thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Creotos Maintenance Management. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe for more insights on how to optimize your maintenance operations. Until next time.